Welcome back, good friends. Brian from Apex Detail. First of all, I'd like to thank you guys for all your support, your continued support for this channel, and also the Facebook group. If you're not part of the group and you are on Facebook in any manner, I urge you to join the group. It's called the Apex Detail Support Group. We're there for each other. We share our work. We ask questions and we support each other and lift each other up. No negativity is tolerated at all. When it comes to the product line, I'm just blown away. It has well exceeded our expectations already. Not only are they available here in the States through my site, they are also now available in Canada through Carzilla. And also in the UK at Into Detailing. And also Auspro Car Detailing in Australia. We would like to expand that. Japan, India, the Scandinavian countries. If you are interested at all and are serious, get in contact with me. I'll put my email down in the description box and we will get together. Also, as a thank you for all the support, I will be adding a group package. I will put a group package together, BC1, BC2, and BC3. With huge savings as a thank you, and that will be available on just our site alone here in the States, my site, for the next 3 days. So enjoy. It's the least I could do. I really appreciate each and every one of you. And the products will keep coming. I am developing and working on them as we speak. And the next product or two that I'd really like to get out there are protectants for windows and sealants and coatings for windows that not only keep them clean, but finally last, especially on the windshield where the wipers are going back and forth. So the first out of that small group that I'd like to get to you guys, have available for you, is a glass sealant or a windshield sealant, and that will help keep glass cleaner longer and will help you aid the cleaning process. It will make cleaning easier for the glass and help reduce water spots. Now, this will be a product that sheets. It'll be a sealant that sheets, and then the coating, of course, is going to be one that really repels water and beads, like most of the other ones out there. However, with a twist, I'm working on one that will actually last. That will take me a little time. It's not the easiest thing to do. That's why there isn't one available as of now. But the sealant will sheet, and it will cut back on water spots and keep the glass cleaner longer and help you by making it much easier to clean that glass. And here's a short example. It's been cloudy and misty with drizzle, and this is what would happen without enough moisture to flood the area. It will bead, and that's what most of them do. However, if you flood the area, heavier rain, the sealant will make it sheet off quickly, cut down on water spots, and help keep the glass cleaner longer. You'll eventually see when it finally recedes, the tape line, only half of the sunroof is covered with the sealant. Let's do it again. With the seal of the sunroof being much higher than the glass itself, we've pooled water in there. Now all I have to do is clear a corner and you'll see just how quick it takes off. I am working on this as we speak. Let me know down in the comments section what your thoughts are on a product like this. Again, this is just the sealant version. Not quite as durable as the coating that will follow, but you will have more of it to use. You can layer it, which will help, and you can use it as often as possible. No streaking, no high spots, no haziness through the glass. and easy to use, and of course, fairly priced. And then for those that aren't interested in my products, I appreciate your patience. This channel will not turn into just a marketing platform for my products. I want to continue with what I've been doing, but you have to understand I need to get videos out there with proper instructions and also results on the products, all three. And once that is complete, then we can move on. Until then, I do appreciate your patience. That will do it for this short video. If you have any questions at all, never hesitate to reach out. This has been Brian from Apex Detail. Catch you in the next video.